Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Here I will share with you 4 topics. The first topic is introduce myself. The second is description of people. The third is description of object. And the last one is description of place. Alright, let's go straight into the first topic, which is introduce myself. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Akmal Fadilah, you can call me Amai. I was born in Cianjur, Jawa Barat. I am an undergraduate now. I study in Politeknik Negeri Bandung. You can call us Polban, major in telecommunication engineering. Okay, now I'm going to introduce my family. There are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and I. My father is a strict person, so he raises me with strictness as well. Sometimes I feel pressure, but I know it's for my own good. On the other hand, my mother is gentle but talkative. She takes care of me very lovingly. And my brother is quite similar to my father, yet they always lend a helping hand when I'm in need. I chose Politeknik Negeri Bandung because it was the only option allowed by my parents for me to pursue higher education in the Bogor and Bandung areas. Originally, I wanted to enroll in Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya, but due to certain circumstances, I couldn't pursue the path at the moment. Therefore, I decided to continue my education at Polban. I have a strong affinity for vocational education because my program emphasizes practical knowledge over theory. I have a deep interest in technology, particularly in telecommunication, and ultimately, I chose telecommunication engineering as my field of study. Maybe someday when I graduate, I really aspire to become an expert in the field of IT. I want to be someone who can make a difference with the knowledge I have acquired. I aspire to create a product that can benefit the public and contribute to advancing technology in the world. By the way, my hobby is singing. Because through singing, I can express my emotions through beautiful melodies and rhythms. Therefore, in my opinion, singing is one of the greatest sources of energy in my life. Here are some clips of me showcasing my hobby.
Saya Muhammad Ahmad Fadilah, 17 tahun, dari SMA Negeri 1 Sukaresmi, Kabupaten Cianjur.
When I have free time, I often spend it watching movies, listening to music, and hanging out with friends. However, once I entered college, it seems like that free time is all taken up by unfinished assignments. So sometimes my free time is spent catching up on tasks. But I have come to realize the importance of prioritization and time management for the present moment. That concludes the introduce myself topics. Let's move on the second topic, which is description of people.
We're now going to progress to some steps which are a bit more difficult.
안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다.
흘러가는 저 시간 잡아두고 싶어 이제 기억나지 않는 새벽들 Take two 서울서 보던 just for you 너와 함께하는 저
와, 크다.
많은 사랑을 받고 있구나.
Hello everyone, in this topic I will describe a group that has had a significant positive impact on me, which is a group from Korea known as Bangtansonyundan or commonly known as BTS. Why BTS had such a positive impact on me? Therefore, here I will briefly discuss the history of BTS up to the achievements they have attained. In this topic, I read a bit about their biography titled BTS Icons of K-pop by Adrian Leslie, which covers nearly all aspects. Therefore, here I will tell you a little about who is BTS. BTS, or Bangtansonyundan, was formed on June 30, 2013. Consists of 7 members, namely Jungkook, Taehyung, Jimin, Suga, Jin, Namjoon, and J-Hope. Initially, they were not as BTS. They come from a small agency called Big Hit Entertainment, which had only one singer before BTS. Originally, the plan wasn't to debut them as a boy group, but as a hip-hop group because 3 members, who also make the rap line, were underground rappers. However, they eventually united as a boy group coming from a small agency. BTS debut wasn't very well known. It could be considered a flop. They even gave away tickets to their first showcase for free and only around 40 people attended. Their early career was relatively ordinary and filled with challenges. BTS achieved the first music show win in Korea 2 years their debut with the song I Need You from the album The Most Beautiful Moment in Life in 2015. From there, they started gaining attention and building a fan base called ARMY. Afterward, they continued to achieve more wins with popular songs like Spring Day, DNA, Fake Love, and Boy With Love. They were already quite successful, but in 2018, there was a decision to disband or not renew their contract due to some internal issues. However, they eventually renewed their contracts for 7 more years. Since then, their fame has continued to rise, and all the songs they released become hits, even reaching the Billboard charts. The peak of BTS success was in 2020 until 2022, and they were even double the biggest boy group in history. In addition to their music careers, BTS has been active in representing Korea in various diplomatic events, speaking at the United Nations, serving as UN ambassadors, and more. Their initial 7 years contracts have ended, and some members are currently fulfilling their mandatory military service, but they have signed contracts for the next 7 years. That's a brief history of BTS from the book I have read. BTS has indeed provided me with a lot of positivity. They always inspire and motivate listeners to pursue their dreams. They also often promote self-love, as in their album Love Myself. I appreciate their well-designed style, which has sometimes set trends. However, with 2 members currently serving in the military and some pursuing solo careers, and group doesn't feel complete right now. Some of their solo work may be a bit more explicit and not universally enjoyable compared to their earlier music with constructive message. This shift might be due to the ever-changing trend in the music industry. Nevertheless, I consider myself fortunate to have experienced the excitement when they were actively performing and positively impacting to me. That concludes my discussion on description of people. Let's move on the next topic, description of an object. Hello everyone, now I'm going to describe some object. I will describe the tools I typically use for recording my music, such as microphone, audio interface, and headphone. Firstly, I have a microphone with the brand Tap Studio LGT240. This microphone is commonly used for recording vocals and can also be used for podcasting. It composed of aluminum, duraluminum, or nanofilm that depends on the magnetic field. This microphone is 14 cm in height. In outer part of the microphone consists of aluminum. The container is rectangular in shape. Due to my vocal needs, this microphone produces sound that is relatively flat and clear, although there is some noise which can still be edited in the software during the editing pass. Inside this microphone, there is component that can transmit incoming sound to another device, and below it there is a male connector for connecting to female cable. Next, I have an audio interface with the brand Mini Plus Studio 2 Pro. This device is used to transfer the input result to a laptop using a cable, and with this device we can also adjust the input and output sound for both the microphone and headphones. This device measures 18 cm in length, 11 cm in width, and has a thickness of 4 cm. The container is rectangular in shape. At the front, there are several components that are customizable. In the input section, we have input 1, 2, and dedicated headphone input. Additionally, there are several buttons for adjusting input and output setting. Moving to the back, you will find only the input section for connector cables and monitor cables. Next, I have a pair of AKG headphones. These headphones are used for monitoring sound, allowing us to listen to music personally and hear our own audio in real time. The container is circular in shape. On the left and the right side, there are only parts meant to be worn on the heads, and this part produce sound. When all these tools are connected, the result will be like this. After having this setup, we can use it for covering a song, creating a podcast, and more. Here I will provide a sample of the ongoing project I'm working on, and this is the result. I think that's it for the topic of description of objects. Next, we have the topic description of place. Hello everyone, now I'm going to describe some place. The first thing I want to describe my hometown, Cianjur. People in Cianjur is known for its diverse population with a mix of ethnicities including Sundanese, Javanese, and others. The people are generally friendly and welcoming to visitors. Weather in Cianjur typically experiences a tropical climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. It can be quite humid, especially during the rainy seasons, which usually occurs from October to March. Food in Cianjur offers a variety of delicious local dishes. Sundanese cuisine is prevalent with dishes like nasi liwet. Nasi liwet is rice cooked in coconut milk, and tahu gejrot, fried tofu in a sweet and spicy sauce, being popular choice. But however, the typical Cianjur food is tauco, is like peanut sauce, and don't forget Cianjur have beras pandan wangi. One of the prominent landmarks in Cianjur is the Cianjur Selatan Mosque, known for its unique architecture, and Taman Alun-Alun Cianjur. Tourism spot in Cianjur is surrounded by beautiful natural attractions, Taman Wisata Alam Gunung Gede Pangrango, or Mount Gede Pangrango Nature Reserve is a popular spot for hiking and exploring the lush forest and waterfalls. The atmosphere in Cianjur is generally calm and serene, particularly in rural areas. It's a place where you can experience a more laid-back lifestyle compared to bigger cities in Indonesia. Cianjur is well connected by road and has a mix of transportation options, including bus, minibus, or angkot, and motorcycle taxis or ojek for local travel. The Cianjur train station provides rail access to other parts of Java. Cianjur is surrounded by picturesque landscapes, including rolling hills, tea plantations, and rice fields. It located in the foothills of the Mount Gede Pangrango National Park, which adds to its scenic beauty. You can reach Cianjur by taking a train or bus from Jakarta or Bandung to major cities in West Java. The journey by road offers picturesque view of the countryside. The nearest major airport is Hussein Sastranegara International Airport in Bandung, which is approximately 2 until 3 hours away by road. Okay, next I would like to describe a place I intend to visit, which is Massachusetts. Why have I chosen Massachusetts? It's because as I aspire to become a student at the #1 technical institute, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. I have a strong desire to pursue my master or doctoral studies at MIT because being a part of this institution would allow me to further expand my knowledge for the benefit of both myself and others. Additionally, Massachusetts boasts a beautiful city space thanks to its coastal location, which undoubtedly add to the city's charm. Therefore, I am very eager to visit Massachusetts. That's all the topic description of place that I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.